Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a super mini quick haul from the 99-cent store. I know it's like they're getting smaller and smaller, but no. Let's just jump right into it for stuff that's not food items. I needed some toothpaste, so we've got some Total Whitening right now. These mugs, you guys know that it's about to be cold, and we like cocoa and like oatmeal and stuff like that out of our mugs. My 5-year-old saw these and was like, "Mom, me and Donnie have to have these for this season." So it's just a cute little coffee mug, if y'all can see in there. This is just like some adhesive. I'm gonna redo a countertop or like bar that we have or whatever. So I just want to play around with this and see what kind of results I get. And this color kind of intrigued me a little bit, but I might get this or a different color. But the color that I want has a pattern and texture to it, but I only saw it at Dollar Tree, so I'll have to go Dollar Tree and get it. But, oh, and this mug was only 99 cents. This adorable Minion mug. Oh, my Lord. The adorable Minion mug was only 99 cents. Toothpaste, 99 cents, and the peel and stick adhesive, only 99 cents for 1.5 yards. Delight's white chocolate dessert mix. Those look really good, and especially this pie back here. Yummy. I love white chocolate, and my husband loves sweets too. But you see that it says gluten-free. And of course, you know, me and my boys, we love to bake and just be in the kitchen together and stuff. Look what I found. Chewy nut butter bars, salted caramel pecan. Made with almond butter. Y'all know I went crazy over these last time, so I was able to find some more this time around. Oh, this hazelnut spread. You can't beat this for 99 cents. This is, what is it, 9 ounces? Yep, 9 ounces of chocolate hazelnut spread. Pretty good brand. We read the ingredients, it's pretty good. Only 99 cents for that jar. This is a glass jar. Chicken franks. I got chicken franks because we're gonna do chili dogs and tacos. Chili dogs and tacos were requested. They had these blue corn taco shells, off the chain. Daddy's gonna be really excited about those, but SJ's favorite food is tacos. So for the chili dogs, they had chicken chili, so we got chicken franks. Oh, these Keebler snack crackers. Oh, and everything here was 99 cents a piece. 99 cents, 99 cents, 99 cents for the chili. You guys know this retails for like $2 or more. These would retail for at least $2 to $3 or more. And this pack right here would probably have retailed for at least $8 or more. This pack was only 99 cents. This is a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pack of the, well, it does say that right there. Of the Keebler snack crackers, cheddar, club and cheddar crackers. You guys know how I am about my water. I love my Life water. I wish they would get the bigger bottles though. And then we have the strawberry kiwi brisk for Daddy. Uh-oh. And then we have the Arizona Mucho Mango. This is really good. We're actually going to be out and about tomorrow. That's why I got these. I'm going to stick them in the freezer and we can drink on them while we're out and about on tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. It's late in my house, so that's why I'm trying to be quiet. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick 99 cent only store haul. Stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see some things, a lot of the things that they had that I just did not purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys. Share these videos. Go sustain your family on the best buck. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other. Fill your cup. We'll run it over. You can serve to everybody else. Until next time, guys.